Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to switch from the main profile to Facebook page. Please let me know if my solution helped you and if you managed to do it on your phone or tablet. If you still have any questions, please let me know below in the comments and I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Let's get started. Go to Facebook. Then if you have not yet entered your page, you will need to write your login, email address, or phone number. And also at the bottom, you will need to confirm with a password. After that, you click Enter, and Enter. Further, in order to switch from the main profile to the page, or vice versa, you need to click in the lower right corner in the menu. And further on top, you will have this arrow, and your account. You click on it, and that'll bring up all the pages, all the profiles you've ever had. You can add new ones, or you can create 6 and it'll show up here as well. You click on this button again. And here you click on another account and you can switch from your main profile to a page. You click on this arrow again and switch back from the profile to the main page. That's how easy it is. Let me know if my solution helped you and if it worked for you. If you still have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Goodbye.